Professor of NEHU Chemistry Department, Professor Ghanshyam Bez, on Tuesday said that the Academic Council of the university does not have the mandate to decide on implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. While addressing media persons at IIM Shillong, Professor Bez, who is also a member of NEP 2020 Implementation Committee of NEHU, said that the role of the Academic Council is restricted to approving policies. He further stated that the Council does not have the resources to reach out to the state government or the different affiliated colleges to hold a discussion whether it is possible to not implement the NEP. Meanwhile, the members of the committee said that they had a series of meetings with the state government and the principal councils to discuss this matter.
That should be very clear to you by now, I hope. So that very notion that Academic Council did not approve the implementation, because Vice Chancellor in that Academic Council meeting itself, he clarified that implementation of NEP 2020 is not a matter of discussion in the Academic Council. He clarified in that meeting. So very rightly, because implementation, because we adopt a policy, sometimes that policy may not be implementable. It may so happen. So you will have to do a lot of homework to get it implemented. So that homework is done by the Vice Chancellor as he was delegated power by the Executive.
Director General of